Jake. Running back. Hey, he fought.
Jake, something you're what's Simon? What's good, Simon? Listen, you need to stop running, my friend, and let's get it on.
Chill out. Chill out.
Yeah, bro, the guy I wish it was him. Hey, what's going on here? I want that everything you be done. What's going on? Listen, boy, bro. What's going on? Tommy, be careful. Do you want to keep Bruno or do you want to take the fight?
Hey, you can barely be my sparring partner.
Listen, you can be a guy who's never had a boxing that guy never had a boxing fight. Get him! Take the fight! 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 Bro, you just went 4 rounds with what the f*** you talking about? Baby, you suck, bro! Come on!